What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the Ghouls Gaming and Tech channel. We're here with another video, and it's a sad end to a flagship phone. This is the end of the Samsung Galaxy Note series. Before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps the channel out. I appreciate the support, and if you're new or returning, that like button is definitely appreciated. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So I was a fan of the Note series. I had the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It was pretty good. I found myself not using the S Pen as much as I thought I would, but I do understand that there is a major audience for the Note series and that S Pen, but I just didn't use it that much. But it is officially official. Samsung is no longer producing the Note series. It's been rumored to this point, definitely with the Galaxy S22, that the Note series was ending because they added that S Pen to the S series. You'll still get the S Pen features in the S series, but it just won't be a Note series. We're here on gizchina.com and they pretty much confirmed, but it says the head of Samsung's mobile division recently confirmed that the company has no plans to relaunch the Galaxy Note smartphone lineup. However, the company will keep hope alive, keep the Note spirit alive as we know it, with the launch of the Galaxy S series Ultra. In specific, the Ultra models launch every year, so you'll still get those S Pen features. It will just be on the S Ultra phone models. So you're essentially still getting a Note type of phone, but it's just basically being called something else. So I think this is kind of the best of both worlds, but this is just an update, a quick video for you guys who didn't know about the Note series and its future plans with Samsung. So if you enjoyed the Note series, you will have to transition to the S series because that's where you will get all of your S Pen features. But like I said, I like to keep these videos short and sweet. Thank you guys for tuning in. Let me know what you guys think about the Note series officially ending. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.